Hi everyone, today we're going to make lemongrass chicken using a rice cooker. Very simple to make, yet so delicious. The flavors are inspired by Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. It's savory, slightly sweet, and you get that lovely citrusy aroma from the lemongrass. First, let's marinate the chicken. Some light soy sauce, fish sauce, salt, sugar, minced garlic, ginger, juice from half a lime. Then rub the seasoning into the chicken. Now let's prep the lemongrass. We only want the lower part of the lemongrass. If the outer layer is dry like this, just remove it. Remove the ends. Cut into shorter pieces. Then smash the lemongrass to release the aroma. Now add in the lemongrass as well. Then marinate for half an hour, or best to marinate overnight. Now add some oil into the pot. Add in the ginger slices and the lemongrass. Then place the chicken skin side down. Cover with the lid and press cook. Now let it cook until the chicken skin turns golden brown. Usually it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the chicken skin turns golden brown like this, flip it over. Then pour the remaining marinade over the chicken. Scrape the base slightly so that the sauce doesn't burn. Then let it cook until it's done. Okay, it's done. Wow, it smells so good. The chicken is soft and tender. It's so simple yet full of flavor. You have to try this. See you next time.